Park? Yeah, we're in Central Park. This is the C.
Are we getting off the site? 71st?
Just stop past the actual district. Let's go right across.
You get off at 81st, you see that district. It'll put you more central. You walk around here. Yeah, you want to
Like you're wearing a boot.
What?
You are wearing a boot.
You're right. I mean, it's nice to have a watch.
Yes. And they really are coming back in
I
fashion.
can't wear them because they said that the allergic to nickel.
Photobomb. There, now I'm immortal. Well, I'm excited. Maybe not as excited as you were to see the book of Mormon, but it's not too far away. Mom's excited, she got boot. Mom's excited, she got boot.
You enjoyed the book of Mormon.
I did very much.
Ordered something.
I enjoy watching people who are good at something do it well.
Oh no, we're talking about the Book of Mormon.
Oh, that's
I enjoy her too.
Yeah, I still want to know how to spell best thing. I'm pretty sure it was like talking about something with Hanson and I was
Ripped it open and had magnets, yes. Clever. Be interested to see the script and see how much of that was scripted. Lights on and off might have been scripted rather than rehearsed. Yeah, but the best is obvious.
Well, yeah, because you have to
Produced.
watch the director.
Yeah. And obviously the dance moves are usually
The way they time the lights off.
Yeah, I think that particular song was the best choreographed. Because they had the best, they had the best happening.
this guy hope I'm right.